Hello everyone, welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. Today's challenge is incredibly fun. We're going to draw a delicious looking and super cute fried chicken drumstick. Have you prepared your paper and pen? Get ready to create a beautiful picture with Bun. Let's begin. To draw a beautiful and appetizing fried chicken drumstick, follow along with Bun step by step. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about the fried chicken drumstick. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to this captivating story together. In a kitchen always filled with the aroma of food, there was a very cute fried chicken drumstick named Milo. Milo had a crispy, golden brown crust, while the inside was soft and delicious. Every time it was fried, Milo always emitted an enticing scent that made everyone exclaim in delight. Milo and the other chicken drumsticks were neatly arranged on a large plate. Looking around, Milo saw many other equally delicious dishes. Milo suddenly wondered, I wonder if I'm anything special, or am I just an ordinary dish? Despite thinking this, Milo always tried to maintain its attractive appearance and waited patiently. One evening, a family gathered around the dinner table. When the plate of chicken drumsticks was placed on the table, the children cheered with delight. One child quickly picked up Milo, their eyes full of joy. They took a bite. The crispy crust made a crunching sound, while the inside was soft and flavorful. The little boy smiled brightly and said, "It's delicious." The others also began to enjoy it. The whole table was filled with laughter and cheerful conversations. The atmosphere became very warm. At that moment, Milo suddenly understood that he was not just a delicious dish. Milo was a part of these moments of togetherness, something that made the meal more joyful. Even though he was gradually eaten up, Milo wasn't sad at all. On the contrary, Milo felt very happy because he had brought joy to everyone. From then on, whenever he was placed on a plate, Milo was always confident and cheerful. He understood that just by bringing a little deliciousness, a little warmth, and lots of smiles, he was already a very special fried chicken leg. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you like it, don't forget to give Bun a like so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun while we draw.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
We've finished the picture. Have you all finished drawing? Remember to show it to your parents to get lots of praise. Now, let's play a little game, the color choosing wheel. Ready? If so, let's begin.
Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo. Orange, naranja, orange, naranja, orange, naranja, orange, naranja, orange, naranja, Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, start.
1. No. 2. Dos. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around the picture. What are those shapes and what colors are they? Let's read them aloud together with Bun. Let's explore and name each shape clearly and loudly.
Triangular. Triangulo. Square. Quadrado. Circle. Circulo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Yellow. Amarillo. Orange. Naranja. Red. Rojo. Blue. Azul. Purple. Purpura. Green. Verde.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.